Hello, this is an instructional video about the use of the Govee temperature and humidity meter. This is a very nice little device. It connects to your smartphone via the Govee app, Govee app, via Bluetooth. So if you've got an Android or Apple phone, you can connect to it. As you can see, it displays the maximum minimum temperature and the maximum and minimum humidity, as well as the current values. Next, let's look at the app. Okay, so we have started the Govee app, and you'll first of all notice there's more than one device registered here. That's because you can register as many devices as you want, and we are focusing on the WVH device, which we've named. You can name it anything, Wixford Village Hall. Now you can see that there's a temperature reading and a humidity reading. We can click on it, goes into the device. It automatically loads data. So you can see it says loading. Data sync is complete. And now we can look at the temperature over different periods of time. So we can do it by the hour, or we can do it by the day. You can see we went down to 17.7 earlier on this morning. You can also look at the humidity, and we can go into finally we can go into settings. Now in settings, you notice device safety is switched off, which means to say that more than one person can access this device. So you need to install the app and then do the scan to add the device, and then it's going to allow you to add this device in. So that's important to know. I wouldn't suggest any of the other things are very important, but you can, of course, get all data. So if you're a new user and this has been installed for a while, you can press all data. You can also update the firmware and other things, but I think you have the measure of it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.